तो हम आज देखेंगे नया टॉपिक जो है स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड एंड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द साउंड। ठीक है, ओके। Characteristics of the sound. The amplitude of the sound waves depend on force required to vibrate an object. The amount of the sound energy passing in the unit area per second is called intensity. Sound wave is not characterized velocity b not characterized by hertz. What is a single frequency sound called? Tone. A sound produced due to the single frequency is called the tone, and the sound that is produced due to a mixture of the several frequencies is called a note. The way the brain interprets the frequency of an emitted sound is called a pitch. The repeated reflection that result in the persistence of sound is reverberation. We hear others speaking to us from adjacent room due to diffraction of the sound. The persistence of sound in an auditorium is the result of the repeated reflection of the sound and is called the reverberation. The repeated reflection that result in the persistence of the sound is called a same question asked many times reverberation. What is the repeated reflection of the sound from the wall of a large hall which result in the persistence of the sound? Same question asked in the RRBJ reverberations. The sound produced by a single frequency called tone. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate options. Pitch of the sound depend on frequency. Pitch of sound depend upon frequency. Which of the following determines the loudness or softness of the sound? Amplitude. Loudness is the physiological response of the ear to the intensity of the sound. It distinguishes between a loud sound and a soft sound. Loudness depends on two factors: intensity of the sound, which is directly proportional to the square of amplitude of the sound waves. Sensitivity of the ear. Sound moves through the air and reaches our ears, give us a sound sensation. The area of high density of particles in the medium at the time of the sound transmission is called compression. Next topic, echo. An echo come back in 3 seconds. If the speed of the sound 342 meter per second inverse, what is the distance from the source to the reflecting surface? Distance equals to distance traveled by the sound in the 3 seconds equals to speed into time. स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड गिवन है हमें 342 मीटर पर सेकंड, और अब डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द साउंड इन 3 सेकंड अपॉन में 2, तो ये अपन को आंसर मिल जाएगा 513 मीटर. What is the approximate minimum distance between source and reflector for echo? 17 meter. What is the repetitions of the sound produced by the reflection of sound waves? Echo. A boy clapped near a rock and after 3 seconds he heard an echo. If the speed of the sound is 346 meter per second inverse, then what distance is from the boy and the rock? Total time equals to t1 plus t2, d upon 346 plus d upon 346 3, 2d equals to 346 into 3. By which a sound is reflected from a distance of at least 17 meter approx happens echo. To hear the different echo, the minimum distance of obstruction from the source of sound should be 17.2 meter. What are the roofs and the walls of the auditorium covered to reduce the echo? Fiberboard. Echo may be heard more than once due to the successive or multiple reflection. To hear the distinct echo, the time travel between the original sound and the reflected sound must be 0.1 second. The sensation of the sound persists in the human brain for about 0.1 second. A person clapped near the rock and he was heard the echo after 4 seconds. So what is the distance of the rock from the person? तो स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड इज 346 पर मीटर दे रखी है, तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा स्पीड इनटू टाइम. स्पीड इनटू टाइम कर देंगे तो 624 और 1384 के लगभग का आएगा. टू सेकेंड. There is an acoustic resonance, which echoes is the fixed resonance when it is in the vibration. Tuning fork. Sonar radar. Sonar is a device that uses ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction and speed of the object in underwater. The device that uses the ultrasonic waves to measure the distance, direction and speed of the water object is called sonar. The acronyms of the sonar stands for sound observation, navigation and ranging. B. Sound navigation and ranging. A. Echocardiogram is more closely related to Doppler effect. Which of the following can be measured with the help of the sonar? Distance, direction, and speed of the object present under the water. The word radar is derived from for the radio detection and the ranging. What are the main instruments in a sonar which are used to find the distance, direction, and speed of an underwater body? Transmitter and detector. Which techniques is used to determine the depth of the oceans, explore the underwater hills, valley, submarine, iceberg, etc.? Sonar. Light, nature of the light. The material through which object can be seen but not clearly are called opaque material. Translucent. Which of the following is not a color created from a combination of the two primary colors? Blue. Red, green, and blue are called the primary or main color. Secondary color are obtained by the mixing primary color. Blue color is not obtained by the combining two primary colors. The region where all of the light from the source is blocked is called a shadow. No, umbra. Penumbra and tumbra are the three distinct parts of a shadow. What is the substance through which light can pass? Transparent. The primary color used in color television are called red, green, blue. What is the velocity of the light in the vacuum? 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second inverse. The speed of the light in vacuum is estimated to be 3.10 to power 8. 3 into 10 to the power 8. Speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. What is the speed of light in air? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of the light is maximum in which of the following medium? The speed of the light is maximum किस में होगी भाई? एयर में ही होगी या वैक्यूम में होगी? वैक्यूम में सबसे ज़्यादा होगी, वाटर और फिर ग्लास के अंदर. एट व्हाट मीडियम डज लाइट ट्रेवल मैक्सिमम? वैक्यूम. द क्वांटम थ्योरी ऑफ लाइट वाज गिवन बाय प्लैंक. The deviation angle is the lowest. Red. Light is a transverse waves. Which of the only event proving this polarization? The objects that themselves do not produce light is called non-luminous object. Objects that produce their own light are called luminous object. How is the refractive index of a substance related to the speed of the light in air? Refractive index equals to speed of the light in air upon में speed of the light in matter. Absolute refractive index, speed of the light in vacuum, speed of light in medium. Refractive index of the matter, speed of the light in air, speed of light in matter. We see the color of the grass as green because it reflects green colored light back to our eyes. In which year did Ole Roemer measure the speed of the light for the first time in history? 1676. The theory belongs behind star twinkling is that the refractive index of the different layer of Earth's atmosphere changes continuously. Consequently, the position of the star's image changes with time. Why does a piece of cloth which appears green in sunlight appear black when it is viewed under the red light? The cloth completely absorbs the red color wavelength. Astronauts see the sky black from the air spacecraft. The energies E1 and E2 of the two radiations are 25 electron-volt and 50 electron-volt respectively. The relation between their wavelength is λ1 equals to 2 λ2. Who can be held responsible for the fact that the sun is visible 2 minutes before the actual sunrise and about 2 minutes after the actual sunset? Atmospheric refraction. Dash is used in the yellow lamp street light. Sodium is used in the yellow lamp street light. The ability of a medium to reflect light is also expressed by its light density. The ability of a medium to reflect light is also expressed by its light density. Light is an electromagnetic wave which moves in a straight line. Light is a transverse wave and does not require a medium to move. When light enters the denser medium through the rare medium, its speed decreases. The speed of the light in a medium whose diffraction index 1.5. Speed of the light in the vacuum and speed of the light in the medium upon में. Scattering of the light is a new topic is scattering of the light. Tyndall's effect is related to the scattering of the light. Which of the following is an example of the scattering of the light? Splitting of blue color of the sky. The blue color of the sky is due to scattering of the light. Which of the following is wrong about the C.V. Raman? He awarded Bharat Ratna. He won the he was given the title of the knighthood in 1987. This statement is wrong because C.V. Raman 7 November 1888 to 21 November 1970. The color of the clouds appear white due to the color of the light. Color of the clouds appear white due to reflection, radiation, scattering of the light. The answer will be D. Why does the sky appears blue? Blue wavelength is relatively low as white light, and it is the most scattered by air molecule. Scattering of the sunlight occur due to the presence of atmosphere. The process of the glare resulting from a collision caused by a collision with particles floating in a fluid of the light is called Tyndall effect. Reflection of light. New topic. Rules of the refraction. When the light is incident on a bright surface, phenomena of refraction occur. Regular reflection. In this type of the reflection, the ray of the light incident in a parallel direction on a smooth reflective surface, and the reflected rays remains parallel even after the reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, regular refraction, refractive plane. Reflection from the plane mirrors. Image found by the plane mirror is virtual and lateral inverted. The image formed by a plane mirror is always virtual and laterally inverted. The image of a plane mirror is virtual and laterally inverted. The characteristics of an image formed by a plane mirror are same size, erect, lateral, inverted, and virtual. The mirror always produces an image of the object that is virtual, large, and of equal size. Plane mirror. Reflection from the spherical mirror. New topic. To get a diminished, virtual, and erect image of a tall building, which mirror is used? Convex mirror. Which type of the mirror is used by the dentist to see large image of the patient teeth? Concave mirror. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror of a point called pole. The center of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror of a point called the pole. Which of the following can produce a virtual image larger than the object is a concave mirror? Which kind of the mirror is used as rear view wings mirror in vehicles is convex mirror. Convex mirror are used in the vehicle rear view mirror. The radius of the curvature of a concave mirror is 30 cm. Following the Cartesian sign convention, its focal length is expressed as f equals to minus 30 by 2 equals to minus 15 cm. To get the real refraction An object is placed at a distance of 30 cm from a concave mirror with a focal length of 20 cm. What will be the distance of image from mirror? 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. F is the focal length, u is the distance of the object from the mirror, or v is the distance of the image from the mirror. What is the center of the curvature of a spherical mirror? Center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the hollow sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part. Next question 52. The point at which all the rays meet is called focus. Which of the following is located on the polished surface of the mirror? Pole. The relation between the focal length and the radius of curvature of a mirror is r equals to 2f. Focal length of a spherical mirror is half of its radius of the curvature. Concave mirror is also called a convergence mirror. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the mirror equation? All the distance must be measured from the mirror pole. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. A convex mirror focal length f in air is immersed in a fluid mu equals to 4 by 3. The focal length of the mirror in liquid will be. लेंस कैपेसिटी इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू फोकल लेंथ होता है, तो म्यू दे रखा अपन को 1.5, तो डिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द वाटर इज कितना होगा 4/3, तो एंड फोकल लेंथ विल इंक्रीज एंड बिकम 4/3 फोकल लेंथ, तो ऑप्शन बी is correct answer. A curved mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward side is called concave mirror. A curved mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward side is called the concave mirror. A spherical mirror with reflective surface curved inward is called concave mirror. If you look into a mirror and find that the image is smaller than you, then the which type of the mirror is convex mirror? What is the concept of the spherical mirror? Reflection of the light. Which of the following statements is true? Radius of curvature equal to the twice of the focal length. What is the formula of the mirror? 1 upon f equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. C option is the right answer. In the mirror formula, what does V indicate? V indicate the image distance. Which mirror is used as a rear view mirror for the wider field of the view in vehicle? Convex mirror. What will be the focal length of a spherical mirror with the radius of curvature r equals to r by 2. Spherical mirror with reflective surface curved outward, it is called convex mirror. An object is placed in front of a convex mirror. What kind of image will be made? Virtual, erect, small size between the pole and the focus. If a convex mirror is used to create a reflection of a real object, which of the following statement is the false? The image is real. This statement is the false. The image is small is right. The image is erect, right. The image is formed between P and F, also right. If the focal length of the mirror is plus 15, it is convex mirror. The shape of the image formed by the converging mirror when placing an object at the main focus will highly magnified. An object is placed in front of a convex mirror at a point between the infinity and the pole of the mirror. The image found will be virtual and small. If an object is placed between the focus and the pole in a concave mirror, what will be the types of image formed? Virtual. Focal length of a convex mirror is positive. When an object is placed at infinity in the front of a concave mirror, its image is at between the focus. When an object is placed outside the center of curvature of a concave mirror, the image will form between F and C. Dentists use a concave mirror because the image built on it is a large and virtual. What is the mirror used in the headlights of the vehicle? Is a concave mirror. An object is placed at the center of the curvature of a concave mirror. Where will its reflection occur? Center of curvature. Which of the following does not use concave mirror? Rear view mirror. One upon F equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. V equals to minus 10 centimeter. If the angle of incidence of a concave mirror is 30 degree, what will be the value of the angle of the reflection? So the type of question are asked in the RRB, ALP and technician. The answer will be 30 degree. Find the distance of an object from a concave mirror whose focal length is 10 cm so that the distance of image from the mirror is 4 times the distance of object will be. क्या given है? Focal length of the concave mirror minus 10 cm. The distance of the object from the mirror is x cm. The distance of the image from the mirror V is 4x cm. from mirror formula, 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So answer will be 12.5 centimeter from the mirror. Dash is also called a diverging mirror. Convex mirror is also called a diverging mirror. If the radius of the curvature of a concave mirror is 6.2 centimeter, then its focal length will be f equals to r by 2. Which one of the following is placed between C and F? Where will the image form in a concave mirror? The shape of the image produced by a converging mirror. When an object is placed at the main focus, it happens highly magnified. When an object is placed at the center of curvature of a circular concave mirror, what will be the position of image formed by that concave mirror at the center of the curvature? An object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a point between its center of curvature and the focus point. Where will the image be formed? Between the center of the curvature and infinity. You can see from this ऑब्जेक्ट कंडीशन दे रखी है, इमेज कंडीशन दे रखी है और नेचर ऑफ द इमेज बता रखा है. तो यू कैन गो थ्रू, सो यू कैन क्लियर द answer. With a concave mirror, when an object is placed at the focus f, which of the following applies for the image? Real, inverted, highly enlarged image at infinity. If an object is placed at the center of the curvature of a concave mirror, its image will be such that. If an object is placed at the center of the curvature of a concave mirror, its image will be such that real and same. The diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called an aperture. The diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called an aperture. The focal length of a concave mirror with radius of curvature of 20 cm will be f equals to 20 divided by 2. The use of the concave mirror is not as rear view mirror. Magnification. If an object is, new topic is magnification. If an object is placed 10 cm away from a convex mirror of the radius of curvature of 5 cm, what will be its magnification? B. 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. The ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object is called linear magnification. The magnifying glass is convex lens. M equals to magnification equals to 1 plus d by f. An object at 1.2 cm height is placed 30 cm before a concave mirror of focal length of 20 cm to get a rear image at a distance of the 60 cm from the mirror. What is the height of the image? गिवन है u दे रखा है, v दे रखा है, s दे रखा है, f निकल गया. तो हाइट ऑफ द इमेज मैग्निफिकेशन निकालने के फॉर्मूला है हाइट ऑफ द इमेज अपॉन में हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. इमेज डिस्टेंस v अपॉन में ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस u माइनस में आएगा. ए सिंपल मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास इंक्लूड कॉन्वेक्स लेंस ऑफ द शॉर्ट फोकल लेंथ. Magnification of a mirror must be for a virtual and erect image positive. Reflection of light. So this topic we will consider later. Reflection of the light. Thank you, and like the video and subscribe please.